Hi YouTube. Today I've decided to upgrade my MacBook. This is the 2012 stock edition MacBook with 4GB of memory and a 500GB hard drive. What I've decided to do is stick 8GB in it, and also one of these, which is a Seagate Momentous 750XD, which is a hybrid drive that offers, I think it's 3 times faster than the stock drive, and also a kind of SSD function, but not really quite the same. This is a 7200 RPM drive, so I think it might make a bit of a difference. I'm going to run a speed test of boot, and then I'm going to run a Geekbench test and a disk read and write. Then I'm going to upgrade it, and we'll see if it makes much difference. Okay. I'm guessing about 40 seconds. The first time I've done this, so I'm not quite sure, but I've looked on the internet and it looks easy enough, so we'll give it a go. On here now is 10.8.2. It's quite fresh installed, so okay, 30 seconds. Right, well, I've stopped it there, 34.8 until the screen came up, so it's not actually too bad. Okay. The specs of this Mac that probably aren't showing up very well are 2.4 i5, 4GB of 1333 memory, DDR3, so we'll see what happens after I upgrade it. So I'm going to run the disk read and write speed, and let's see what happens. Right, what I'm going to do is a Geekbench test. Right, okay, let's see what happens here. So, it says 6797, which, I don't know, it seems quite low. I'm sure I've seen higher speeds. Oh, my apologies, it's a late 2011 MacBook Pro. Aha. Okay, so I'm going to start with taking all the screws out and hopefully not making a mess. Right, I finally got all the screws out. I found a better screwdriver to do it with. So, there it is. There isn't much to really get out there, but there's the memory and the drive, which we'll attempt to do now. So, out comes the two gigs. In fact, I'm going to turn this around this way. Okay, and there we go. And in goes the 8. Easy enough, hopefully. And again, in goes the 8. Nice. 8 is in. Now, the drive. I guess it's these two. I'm not actually sure. I've never taken one of these out. Right. Okay, so it's that drive with this drive. There, and it should just pull out. Okay, that's only a small cable. Okay. I just need to get these little things out. Right, I found one. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, it's that one there. Oh, come on. I'm recording on a flip, but it's not very good. Right, okay. Screwdriver. Okay, I think that's right now. I'm just going to screw these back in. Right, I'm going to turn this back round. Put this back on. And the screws came out in a particular order, which are on the floor. Rather than record this, I will stop and I will be back as soon as it's all done up. This was the drive that came out, which is just not focusing properly, but it's a Seagate, which is a good start because I've put a Seagate Momentous, and this is a Momentous as well, 5400 500 gig, replaced with a 750 Momentous XT hybrid drive. I'm going to put the last screw in and I'm just going to tighten them all. So, put the charger back in. This isn't going to work, but I'm going to switch it on, make sure it doesn't beep or do anything silly. Well, no warnings, no beeps, that's good. Ah. EFI boot, okay. It's not detected the drive yet, although I'm guessing the drive isn't formatted. So we'll try and see what happens here. Okay, disk utility. We need that. I don't know what to expect, to be honest, with this drive. I don't know if it's going to have a partition of SSD or if it's just going to be one big drive. It's going to be one big drive. Okay. Okay, let's erase that drive. macOS extended journaled. Okay, let's have a look on the partition. No, one partition, 74981. The disk description is ST750LX003. Yeah, I'm unsure quite what happens here, but we'll find out anyway. We install OS X, or 10. Mounting line, so this is coming straight off the SD card. Put it on there. Well, that seemed quite quick. I guess it's got to install everything now. Hi, right, back again. It's fully done. It's been upgraded. It's got exactly the same software as what the old drive had on it, including Geekbench, a disk read-write test, all the updates and the software. So everything is as it was. Here we go. We're up. Let's see what we get. Ooh. Well, that's different. I stopped it late there as well, 19.2. So definitely a difference there. Let's run the speed test. Okay. Now you can see straight away that's pretty much doubled what it was last time. It's not SSD quality. This is a 7200 750 Seagate Momentous XT hybrid drive. It says it's 3 times faster. I don't know if it is or not, but it's definitely faster than the other one. Okay, let's do the Geekbench score. And 64. Let's see if that one's any faster. .6869, so marginally faster, not a massive amount, but it's definitely improved it. The read-write speed on the drive is a lot better, the boot time is a lot quicker, and marginal improvement on that. But there you go, there you have it. So it's been upgraded, and that should do me now until I get a MacBook Retina Pro. Thanks for watching, bye.